All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to move from shooting video to shooting photos on this Wolfgang GA200 4K camera. First of all, we got to turn it on. Let's go ahead and hit it. You got to press and hold. It opens up, and you notice at the very top, I'm shooting video, and it says normal 4K. If I touch this, nothing happens. If I go here and I look through all this stuff, I'm going to just save you the trouble of doing it. Nothing happens. So let's go back. The way you get to a photo, or to change this from video to photo, is you put your finger here and you slide it, and then it turns to photo. Look down here, single photo, 24 MP. Then if I click here, I can change it. I can do bursts, I can do time lapse, I can do whatever, self-timing, Wi-Fi. But let's just go back. Right now, let's say I want to change it from photo to video. I go here and I slide over, and it goes to, I slide over and it goes to video again. Go to photo, you have to slide your finger on the top, all right? Go back to video, bam, Bob's your uncle. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.